heart-centered, like-minded people? Do you wish you could be in the room where it happened? And did you know that October is World Online Networking Month? Welcome to another episode of Networking Know-How. I'm Laura Morlando, the Stress Commando, and I am the founder and CEO of Down and Dirty Networking. And here at Networking Know-How, we talk about every week some of the stupid, simple, stress-free tips that we use in our Down and Dirty Networking online community. And this week, I get to bring you part two. So week two of World Online Networking Month. And I give you the solution to the stupid, simple way to get in the room that happens and connect with more like-minded people and don't feel icky about it. You don't have to worry about feeling salesy. Or when you think of networking, you don't have to go, ugh, which is how I hear so many people tell me. All right, so let's dig into all of this. I see some people watching live. Thank you so much for being here. So World Online Networking Month, let's talk a little bit about it. And let's talk about what the difference is from traditional networking. So first up, traditional networking is generally a one-way conversation and more transactional in nature, where you're like, hi, my name is, and I'd like to get a lead, a client, a job offer, or be assigned to that special project. It's very much a pitch. And so the pitch slapping is something that most people dread. They feel icky, they feel salesy, they don't love it. But I believe there's another way called relational networking. It is about having a meaningful conversation to learn from and about someone, to have a meaningful conversation to build lasting and authentic relationships. There's zero pitch slapping. It's not salesy. It's really being curious and treating everyone like your instant best friend. It's about embracing one of our core values here at Down and Dirty Networking about talk less, question more. The more you can get curious and get to know people, the better it is. It raises your vibrational energy, the vibrational energy of the person you're talking to, and it raises your reputational capital. So what is World Online Networking Month? Well, here at Down and Dirty Networking, we are hosting an entire month for you to experience relational networking, to connect with more like-minded people that are heart-centered and are looking to be in the room where it happened. And so if you missed last week's video, I'm going to give you a quick recap. So a quick recap, we're doing every Wednesday to Wednesday, so it'll be a week long from Wednesday to Wednesday. You will have stupid, simple activities that you can do. There's nothing to buy. There's nothing to sell. There's no place to sign up. You simply comment, I'm in. So if you want to get in on the challenge, just say, I'm in, and I will message you the details. That easy. The tasks that you do each week are stupid simple, and they don't take long at all. Okay, so first up, last week was week one, and it's not too late to jump in. You can theoretically do all 4 weeks pretty quickly. You're going to miss a key bonus, but you'll be able to do all 4 if you are coming in late and watching this. So if you're just joining now here, week 2, not too late, you can jump in. Week 1 was reach outs. Your job was to block off on your calendar 15 minutes to make reach outs to people that you've been thinking of, or people that are on maybe your LinkedIn list or your Facebook connections or wherever platform you want to expand on. And you're going to just simply DM them, or maybe it's on your phone and you can text them and say, thinking of you. And then all you need to do is interject a question. And I give you samples of the questions. So when you say I'm in, I will give you some samples questions. So don't worry about having to take notes right now. But the easiest one is, hey, thinking of you. What's new and exciting? Or thinking of you. What's a new project you're working on? Or thinking of you, what's the best thing that's happened to you recently? Hey, I see someone watching live. Good to see you. Good to see you. Get up and chat. Let me know where you're watching from. So that was the week 1 activity. Block off 15 minutes and simply make reach outs to people that you're thinking about or that you see as you're scrolling through your contact list on your phone or your social media platform. Now, here's the cool part. You could do a block of 15 minutes, or you can break it up and do 3 5-minute blocks. Some of you were able to knock it out very, very quickly. I appreciate all the comments that we got in there. So if you're watching, you're not yet in our challenge, you're not yet in the World Online Networking Challenge, just drop a comment. I'm in, and we'll give you all the details. Okay, so that was week 1 activity. Now we're starting week 2. So it's still easy. You can still find 15 minutes to do week 1 and week 2. No big deal. All right, so week 2. Week 2's got a cool bonus. So hang with me. So week 1 we did reach outs. Week 2, it's about inviting people to have a conversation and a connection call. And so the way that you're going to do this is we are having our signature event next Wednesday, the 15th. And this is going to be happening virtually, so you can join from anywhere on the globe. And this is our Conversations and Connections event. And so your task, you've got 2 levels of tasks. So level 1 is to register and bring a friend. It's that simple. As you're reaching out to friends, make sure that they can attend. So you can reach out to them and say, hey, I'm attending this conversation. I'm attending this event. I'd love for you to come with me. Are you in? If they say yes, you simply send them the link and they register. It's that it. So you register, you reach out, and you invite a friend. So you might be inviting someone you reached out to last week, or maybe you're inviting somebody else that you have yet to reach out to. See how this works? Now, when you reach out to them and you ask them if they're in, and they say, no, I'm not in, then you say, great. How about we schedule a 15-minute connection call and you get to connecting with them? There's something to be said about getting with people, even if it's for a quick phone call or a face-to-face video chat of whatever platform you prefer, just to say, hey, what's new? What's going on? Just wanted to say hello. These connection calls can be really short and sweet, just to reconnect. Now, this is where the gift of this event is. When I used to be a member of different organizations, I used to use this bring a friend strategy to reconnect to my network, where I'd say, hey, I'd love for you to be there. And if they couldn't make it, we'd schedule our own time to chat. If they could make it, then I got time with them. I got my reputational capital raised because I made sure that I treated them like I hosted them at the event and that they were treated like royalty. And so I got to have a whole lot of fun. I got away from feeling awkward as an introvert because I had someone that I wanted to take care of and have a great experience and a great time. It was super easy. But here's the fun part. By you inviting someone to Conversations and Connections and them coming with you, there's no hosting you're going to have to do because I do all the heavy lifting. You're not going to have to go work the room. It's virtual. We already do it. We already have a conversation starter. Nobody has to memorize an introduction because we don't do that. We drop in right in the middle in a conversation starter in a conversation activity. So we believe you co-elevate, collaborate, and connect. Co-elevate is the first thing that happens. Everyone gets lifted up. We treat everyone like an instant best friend. You collaborate in conversation, and after that is when you truly connect. When you exchange information. So if you are wanting to really upgrade your connections and network and really jumpstart your reputational capital and your vibrational energy, and you're like, you know what? I am ready for a different way of networking. I'm ready to try this relational networking that Laura Rolando, the Stress Commando, has been telling me about. I think I'm ready to try this. Jump into our challenge. Do the week 1 activity. Drop the words I'm in on this video or wherever you're watching it, and I will give you all the full details. I will personally message you and give you the details. Nothing to sign up, nothing to buy. This week's challenge, register for Conversations and Connections and bring a friend. Come experience what this is. Inside, you're going to get a great conversation starter that you'll be able to use, rinse, repeat, and you're going to have an amazing time. And then it's going to set you up for really great week 3 activity. So are you in? Let me know if you are. I hope you are. I hope what this is doing for you, and our goal here is to realize that relational networking is a skill. It's also an activity, but it's a mindset. And when you adopt this mindset, everything changes. Your conversations with your family members, with your coworkers, your vendors, your potential clients. If you're in an interview, if you're a student talking to a teacher or other students, it doesn't matter what your experience, it doesn't matter your background or what your situation is right now. When you adopt relational networking and truly engage in this, it's an absolute game changer. I have been doing this for many, many, many years, and I finally built the community to give you that experience. And this challenge is so that you can get to doing it in a stupid, simple way and be so proud of yourself at the end of October. So yeah, somebody just honked. I don't know if you could hear that. They're totally agreeing with me, apparently. Or at least that's what I'm going to think. All right. Thanks for watching live. Again, if you're in on this World Online Networking Challenge that we're doing all month long, just drop the words I'm in. Even if you're like, I don't really know if I understand it all, don't worry about it. There's nothing to buy. Just go ahead and drop it in. I will DM you the details. And our week 2 activity is for you to register to our Down and Dirty Networking Conversations and Connections event and leverage the event to bring a friend. And friends that can't attend, schedule your own connection calls with them. If you need any help with any of this, or you're like, hey, Laura, I'm in. How do I do this? What do I do next? Just message me. This is about having a conversation. So let's have some conversations. Let's have some meaningfulness, and let's just have some fun. Let's keep it stupid simple. It doesn't need to be hard. I love that I got a comment last week. Lord, where do I sign up? I don't understand. Everyone's expecting it to be hard. It's stupid simple. Just comment to this video. Just drop a comment. I'm in, and I will send you the rest. That's it. That's all it needs to be. All right. I truly hope that you are having an amazing week and that you are excited about and proud of the fact that you completed the week 1 challenge. And if you have not yet done it, no worries. You still have time and you can just get it done. And when you're done, just comment to these videos, to the post that you're seeing that I've done the week 1. Let us know that you've done it. Just have a conversation. It's the World Online Networking Challenge for a reason. We're going to leverage our networking tools and we're going to keep it stupid simple, have fun, and keep moving forward. All right, I hope this was helpful. You have for week 2 until next Wednesday to get this done. And remember, next Wednesday is the event at noon. So you're going to want to make sure you're inviting friends all along. I promise you it doesn't take long. So I will give you all the information in the DM. So just say, hey, I'm in, and I will send you the DM for the week 2 challenge. Even if you're already you've done the week 1, just say I'm in, and I will drop in all of the details for week 2 and recap week 1 in case you need that as well. So don't worry, I will get that all to you. And then next week after our event, I will go live again and I will drop the week 3 activity and so on. So I can't believe we're already this far into October. Maybe it's just me. The dog barking, I think, agrees with me. But I hope you are having an amazing week. I hope you make it an even better week. And I'm so excited to have you with us on this challenge because it's time. It's time to be in the room when it happens. It's time to find more heart-centered, like-minded people so that we can raise our vibrational energy. You are, and I'm going to get the quote wrong, but we are the sum of the 5 people we spend the most time with. And I love expanding the types of people that I connect with so it expands my brain, my energy, and the ideas. So will you be there next week? Let me know. All right. Thanks for watching. I appreciate. I see some people watching live. Thank you so much. Drop the words I'm in if you're in on the challenge, and I will hook you up. All right. Hopefully I see you at the Conversations and Connections event next Wednesday. And I will see you live here. I go live every Wednesday afternoon, sometime between 3:30 and 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for another episode of Networking Know-How. So stay tuned. Next week will be the event and week 3. All right. Bye for now. And until then, happy networking.